with database virtualization, you get in control of your test data. So with our test data management platform, we already have great solutions for masking your test data, for subsetting, for generating synthetic data. But to get in control of your own test data, without dependencies, without being dependent on other people working on your own database, database virtualization can be a powerful add-on on top of those solutions. And that's really the reason that we've added database virtualization, to give testers and developers the option to version their test data, to clone it, to time travel in it with snapshot and restoring without claiming extra storage, and also in really seconds to be able to restore their environment instead of going to a DBA and asking them to restore the test database, but going into the portal and say, I want to go back to the original situation. So that was the main drive to add database virtualization with Virtualize to the DATPROF platform.
And furthermore, also really adds and strengthen our position in our test data provisioning vision. As DATPROF, we try, of course, to help our customers with easy and accessible test data at the click of a button. And with the support of database virtualization, we are also really helping our customers to further streamline these processes, making it really accessible for developers and software quality engineers. Well, when we started the development of database virtualization within DATPROF, we always figured how can we support the needs of the users of test data as best as we possibly can. And with that in mind, we specifically developed the software primarily for the software quality engineers and the software engineers or software developers. And especially in early stage development, it's really helpful that you can easily provision test data to your lower environment. And with that in mind, we developed the database virtualization platform inside DATPROF.
Yeah, exactly. So with database virtualization, you not only control the test data, but the complete test database. So also configuration, the data model. So this also makes it very easy for developers, for example, to create a branch of their database, create a new feature, make some changes inside their data model without changing the original test or development database. And when the feature is done, you destroy it and maybe you branch off a new test database on which you can develop even further on. So I think especially also for development, when changing data models, having different data sets available, quickly go back and forth, clone it, give your other development a branch of your test database. That can be really powerful, I think, to speed up development and testing.
And now it can also be nicely aligned with the infrastructure, specifically in the more modern software development methodologies like Agile, Scrum, DevOps. You sometimes struggle with getting the right test data in the right place due to the sheer size. And with database virtualization, we're now able to further align these and modernize the needs of our customers.